Hi, today for the Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to link running Google Assistant from PowerKey on this device. So open first the settings and then scroll to the gestures. Click here to press and hold power button and switch power menu to digital assistant. You could also switch here the sensitivity by choosing how long to press and hold the power key button. So I'll use the middle one. And now just by pressing and hold the power key. Okay, got it. To use the power off menu, you should use volume up button and power button. So okay. Now press and hold power key button and we could see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. To turn off this option, to unlink Assistant from power button, switch Digital Assistant to power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.